so mainly initially when you're practicing, this may happen to you when you're taping down and using the under eye patches, but you're applying. Okay, so what happens is sometimes we get some of the bottom lashes stuck, or we get an eyelash extension stuck on the bottom lash like that. So that happens initially when we're practicing, or in the long run, if they're laying down for a long time, sometimes the under eye patch does wiggle and move. So about every 20-30 minutes, you do want to check and kind of go like that, make sure all the bottom eyelashes are still covered. Okay, and you can see it did slide down. I did check her under eye patch initially when she started and it was perfect, but just from her laying there, maybe talking, or from the body heat, it does slide down a little. So you do want to check and adjust as needed. So I would have checked in like 20-30 minutes, then I can adjust it to continue, okay, to avoid from any of the bottom eyelashes coming up and getting stuck or getting glued. But if this does happen, we do want to remove the eyelash that's in the bottom. So for example, we can see it's this one. So I'm going to close her eye and I'm going to grab the one that's extra that I want to remove. And the way I'm going to remove one is I'm going to hold one with one tweezer at the base, and the second tweezers I'm going to twist it in a round motion to break the bond of the glue. This should weaken the bond of the glue and it should start coming off, or at least peeling. You can see it's peeling from the base. With one tweezer, I'm going to hold her natural lash so I don't pull it. I'm going to peel the extension without hurting her. Okay, so that's how you remove one. Practice on your model, so if you do need to, you can. So she's good there, and it looks like everything else she's good. Nothing else is stuck. Yay!